Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tosin, and today I'm going to be filming a video where I show you guys how exactly I budget my paycheck. So we are going to be budgeting together. I filmed this video back in March, so this is basically going to be me budgeting my pay from March of 2021. I filmed it a while ago, but I wasn't too sure how I felt about it. But now I think it would be pretty informative and it would be pretty interesting to some people to see how I budget my money as a current college student. So that's just what I'm going to be showing you guys today. And when I budget, when I budget my paychecks, I like to budget my paychecks, I like to budget two paychecks together. So as you can see, my total amount that I'm budgeting is $875.87. This is not from one paycheck, this is from two paychecks. So this is from two pay periods. I get paid every 2 weeks, so this is 4 weeks worth of work, and that's how much I got paid for it. I just find that it's easier and it's also more enjoyable to budget money when you have more to work with. So so the first place that my money always goes when I am budgeting is towards any debt that I have. I do have a credit card that I use every now and then. So this month I spent $100.39. So I am just going to pay that off all at once. I don't do partial payments because I just like to get it all over with. So I'm paying that off. I also have a student loan that I'm paying off. I'm paying that off pretty aggressively because I kind of just want to pay it off completely before the little interest rate pause thing ends later on this year. So I'm putting $300 towards that. It is a $1,000 loan. I filmed this back in March. It's currently July when I'm filming this, and I have paid it off already. So that's a pretty big accomplishment for me. But yeah, when I'm budgeting, I always like to put the amount that I have remaining afterwards. So that's what I'm doing. So after paying off the debt, I'm left with $475.48. So after we've paid off the small amount of debt that I have right now, I am now going to be putting more money towards investments. I do have a Roth, and I try to put as much in it as possible. I maxed it out last year for 2020, so I put in $6,000, and I'm also trying to do the same thing this year. So I'm just putting in as much as I can. So I put in $150, and then I also have a general investing account, and I usually put the same amount in that as I do in my Roth. I can do a separate video about my investments if you guys would like that, but after putting money towards my investments, I'm left with $175.48. And when I invest, I don't really think of it as, you're not really losing money. It kind of took me a while to wrap my head around that. It's, my money is still there. It's just, it's invested in something that will hopefully grow my savings, if that makes sense. But even though I do invest, I still like to have savings because it's always good to just have money that's easily accessible to you. You don't have to sell stocks or bonds or ETFs and all this. Like, you don't have to do all that extra stuff. It's always nice to have money left over. So I have decided to put $175.48 towards my savings, but part of that I will be spending. I spend money, so I always try to put some money aside for me to just spend during the week or for the duration of 2 weeks until I get paid next. So I just split it in half. So I had $175.48 in my savings, and then I divided that by 2. So I've given myself $87.74 to carry me basically for the next 2 to 4 weeks. I'm pretty frugal with my money, but I do spend a lot on things like food, and like when I'm at work I get hungry, so I have to buy food, and like I'm going back to school soon, so I'm gonna have to start, spending a little bit more on clothing and stuff. But during March I wasn't really spending too much, so $87.74 was pretty okay with me. And this is basically the end of my first budgeting video. I would love to make more of these, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.